Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make paper slime. Let's get right into it. So, the things you're going to need is a notebook with papers that have already been used, or plain, don't matter. You're going to need a bowl with soap, which I got right here. You're going to get a piece of paper and here, rip it. It's kind of fun. Then you're just going to put like tiny pieces in there. Not too big, not too small. See, not too big, not too small. You can rip them into tinier pieces if you like. I suggest that a small piece is gonna be good enough, so I'm just gonna leave this out here. I'm gonna put this back. Then you just keep putting in a little bit until it sort of fills the top here, and then if you have scissors, which I do, so you guys may not be able to do this because of your parents, and I get that. You can rip the papers up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter much. So if you see this, it's forming, which is good. So yeah, so you got like sort of slime right here. So you see that you can like rub it on the sides if you want, or rub it on your pants if you have hard pants. But I suggest you use pieces like this big if you only have a little bit, because you don't want to be using that if you don't even have that much. It's kind of hard doing little pieces, but it's gonna make it good, trust me. So I'm gonna start mixing this together, try to start breaking it up. If you start breaking up, that should start forming, because there is the oil and paper that starts making it like that. And then you should have like this sort of slime. I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, then you should sort of have it. See? It's a slime. It's really weird. I know it's a really weird sort of slime. I'm gonna say that. Yeah, and you can get in a sticky situation, but it's fine. It's just soap. You can honestly put water on when you're washing your hands. But I have so much. My hands are great. And if you know how to use paper as a napkin, Yeah, it's kind of hard, but do this. It's kind of, your hands get really soapy. So, just gonna throw that on this side. But I will see you guys after I wash my hands. Okay, I'm back, guys. I made this out of it. Yeah, I just put like some yellow dye in it. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, there is still a little bit of soap in there, but it's pretty cool. It's honestly pretty cool if you use it. See? So awesome. Well, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to say bye, but I just accidentally said it. Yeah, if you have leftover soap, you can add like a little bit to your slime if you want. If you want. Well, here's a real goodbye. Bye.